Bitcoin broke out bullish towards the upside, but right now is going to be headed for another massive week. So we need to be talking about that exactly. What is going to be happening next for Bitcoin? There's a massive amount of liquidity sitting above us at that 70.5k level. So we are going to need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above that 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look at that short term. And yes, in that short term, Bitcoin is starting to create a new consolidation pattern. Now, during the course of this weekend, we have been perfectly consolidating it around that semi-close price. So very little to no volatility at all. So yeah, that has been absolutely perfect during the course of the weekend. But because of this low volatility, well, we have been basically just consolidating, creating a new pattern right over here, creating this new bull flag pattern after this significant pump towards the upside. Right now consolidating instead of this bull flag pattern, definitely starting to look very good. And yes, if you are going to be seeing this bull flag pattern breaking out towards the upside, we can definitely start to see that next move getting initiated. Now, if you are going to be having a look into what's the price target of this bull flag pattern, it is going to be quite insane because we do have a price target sitting all the way up towards that 68k level. Now, of course, I have already been talking about this 68k target for so many times on this channel. Of course, I've been talking about the fact that whenever we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance over here, well then Bitcoin is going to be headed towards that 68k target. Now, in the short term as well, Bitcoin is just holding on towards this level of support over here, looking very good, looking very bullish. And we have been talking about two scenarios that could be playing out for Bitcoin right over here in that short term. Either we are going to be retesting this level of previous support right here, turning in towards resistance, back in towards support. We are going to be retesting it right now, or we are straightly going to be headed towards that 68k level. But either way, ultimately, I do think we are going to be testing that 68k level, which is going to be also that price target of this bull flag pattern. But yeah, it doesn't really matter what is going to be happening in that short term. If you are either going to be seeing this break towards the upside, if you are going to be seeing a break towards the upside over here, then definitely we are going to be expecting a bullish breakout. Now, also at the same time, if we are going to be getting a rejection back in towards this level of support, that would also be a very good opportunity in the market. So anyways, we are about to see some volatility and big moves getting created for Bitcoin. But anyways, yes, these are going to be some good opportunities right now in the market. Anyways, it is going to be important to know that the price action for Bitcoin is actually more likely going to be bullish for Bitcoin. Yes, we are still in this downtrend over here, creating lower highs, but yes, also at the same time, we have just created this new higher low over here, and the price action is bullish, with this trend also being bullish right now in the short term, and that majority of the Bitcoin liquidity right now sitting above us at that 70.5k level. And we do know that the Bitcoin price tends to follow that majority of the liquidity. Right now, definitely the majority of the liquidity is sitting at the top side, $7 billion in Bitcoin short liquidations sitting above us at this current moment. So yes, that is looking very bullish. Definitely this price action over here is looking bullish. But yeah, do keep in mind that on that longer time frame, Bitcoin is still just consolidating over here, waiting for that bigger move. Because of course, in that larger time frame, we are about to get an even bigger move with this consolidation we are seeing over here. But anyways, having a look into what's this weekly candle close, we have just closed a new weekly candle. And this last weekly candle close is looking very bullish in my opinion. A very clear green candle towards the upside. Definitely showing a lot of strength and a lot of momentum towards the upside. Also with this huge bullish hammer candle over here. Now, because of this candle over here, I do not think we are going to be filling up that wick anymore. That huge wick towards the downside. I do think that because of this candlestick structure is looking quite bullish. And we are about to see some more momentum getting initiated towards the upside. So guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well with these short-term opportunities we are getting in the market right now, make sure to check out that link down below, because with that link down below, you can right now be claiming a 30,000 US dollar deposit bonus, and on top of that also can be claiming a 500 US dollar free trade, which is going to be absolutely insane. So make sure to click on that first link down below, sign up a new account over on Bybit, complete KYC level 1. By the way, if you already do have an account over on Bybit, you can just sign up a new account using a different form of identification, and there you go. You can be claiming this free position over here and a 30,000 US dollar deposit bonus on top of that. Anyways, zooming out, yes, I do think that in the coming few days, or at least this week, we are once again going to be reaching that 68k target, which is going to be this level of resistance over here. Now, ultimately, that is going to be the most important level to be breaking above. Whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking above that level over there, that's going to be meaning that we are going to be having that price target sitting at, yeah, right now 93k level. So yes, this is going to be the most important level to be watching for Bitcoin. Anyways, yeah, if you're just going to be zooming out, we have just had this Bitcoin summer, which has been very boring, just like the last summer during last year over here. But what we saw after the summer is a huge breakout towards the upside. So right now, the same exact thing could be happening. Also, if we're just going to be having a look into this consolidation over here, we might be having a look into something similar getting created right over here with just a huge symmetrical triangle over here. That could just be another opportunity in the market right now. Do keep that in mind. Anyways, if we're going to be having a look into some monthly candles for Bitcoin, it is looking extremely bullish. We are about to close another monthly candle in just 5 days, almost closing this month in the green right now. It is just slightly in the red at this current moment. Anyways, flipping this previous level of massive resistance right now into support, still holding this level of support, definitely looking very bullish in my opinion. Anyways, also Tether is still printing more market cap, and the more liquidity enters crypto, the higher we will go. USD Tether is printing more, is bullish, and also the global liquidity is increasing right now at this current moment. So yes, all in all, for that longer term price action for Bitcoin, it is looking very bullish. So make sure to be prepared for what is about to come next for Bitcoin. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.